we have spoken to the Home Secretary, and I had a detailed discussion myself with the Honorable Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, yesterday. We spoke on 2 occasions, once in the afternoon and once in the evening. And on both occasions, he has assured us of full cooperation and support. And based on that, we have requested the Government of India to give us 5 companies, and accordingly 3 from the CRPF and 2 from the BSF have been requisitioned for us for the situation here, and out of them 2 have already from CRPF have arrived and 2 from BSF already have arrived.